What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank the Tank from Bangin Gears on YouTube and Bangin Gears Garage on Facebook, and we are back in beautiful Ocean City, Maryland for endless summer cruising. The weather today, Wednesday, has been on and off all day. It started off rainy. It cleared up a little bit just in time for the OC Cruisers pre-show at the 94th Street Coffee Beanery, and now, as you can tell, it's raining again. So I still will be filming. I filmed today. I'll be dropping a video tomorrow morning, which is Thursday. I'll be dropping a video Thursday morning, Friday morning, Saturday morning, and Sunday morning. Do not forget that Sunday morning video. Each video will give you a chance to win some Bangin Gears swag. In today's video, we'll be giving away this Bangin Gears fleece you see me wearing because it's cold. It's got the Bangin Gears logo on the front, here, right there, and there's the Bangin Gears logo on the back of the neck as well. In order to be eligible to win the swag in each video, make sure you watch each one and sign up in each one. You need to subscribe to Bangin Gears on YouTube, like and comment on that video, and that puts you in the running to win whatever the giveaway is in that video. So make sure you like and comment each video throughout the week. That gives you 4 chances to win Bangin Gear stuff. Also, don't forget to check out the Bangin Gears Garage Facebook page, where anything that's automotive, slap it on there. If you're down here this weekend, you're taking pictures, I'd appreciate it if you post some stuff on there. Other than that, like I said, we'll be down here all week. I'll be working my ass off like I usually do. And we'll see you tomorrow on Bangin Gears.